Today we will discuss about a topic quadratic expression, quadratic equation. In subtopic, there is the most important topic. So signs of the quadratic equation. When quadratic equation is positive, when quadratic equation negative. What is the solutions of the quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So 0 where a is not equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now, so d discriminant that is b square minus 4ac. Now here case 1. So case 1 discriminant is greater than 0. Now this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Now d is greater than 0. If a is greater than 0, this is the parabola. If a greater than 0, so this parabola intersect the alpha and beta are the roots. So this is the vertex. Now vertex is minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. This is the vertex point. Now in this area, this is the positive. So this is the positive area. Now here a is greater than 0. Now here a is less than 0. Now this is the parabola. Now intersect the alpha and beta in the x-axis. Now here a less than 0. So this is also vertex. So if a greater than 0, the first case, now f of x is greater than 0. Then f of x is positive. So for all x belongs to alpha comma beta closed intervals. Now second case, now f of x less than 0 for all x belongs to minus infinity to alpha, so close interval union to close interval beta to infinity. Now third case, so f of x is equal to 0 for all x is equal to alpha comma beta. So this is the if a is greater than 0. Now here if a is less than 0, the case 1. Now so f of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to alpha comma beta. So now case 2, f of x less than 0 for all x belongs to minus infinity to alpha, so union beta to infinity. Now third case, f of x is equal to 0, then x is equal to alpha comma beta. Now finally, so a into f of x is greater than 0, then for all x belongs to alpha comma beta. So second one, a into f of x less than 0 for all x belongs to minus infinity to alpha union beta to infinity. So third one, a into f of x is equal to 0 for all x is equal to alpha comma beta. So these are the delta d greater than 0. So a is positive and a is negative. Now case 2. So d is equal to 0. So d is equal to 0. The roots are equal and real and equal. Real and equal. So here x-axis, here also x-axis. Now a is positive, the parabola touches the x-axis. So a is negative, the parabola downwards. The upwards the parabola a greater than 0, the downwards the parabola a less than 0. So this is the vertex. Now vertex minus b by 2a and minus delta by 4a is the vertex. Now this is the area. Now here this is the area. Now this is the point. Now here a is greater than 0, here a less than 0. Now the given expansion f of x is greater than 0, the given expansion f of x is less than 0. These two cases, now here a into f of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to R. This is the discriminant is 0, real and equal. Now case 3. Now case 3, delta less than 0. So d is less than 0. This is the complex roots. This is the complex roots. Now here complex roots, here this is the x-axis, this is the x-axis. So a is greater than 0. This is a greater than 0. So this is a less than 0. So this is the vertex, this is the vertex. The vertex minus b by 2a minus d by 4a. This is the vertex. Now here, in this case, here a greater than 0, then f of x is greater than 0. If a is less than 0, the f of x less than 0. In these two cases, so a into f of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to R. Then the complex roots, then for all x belongs to R. So one example, discuss the signs of the quadratic expression x square plus 5x plus 6. Now x square plus 5x plus 6. First we find out d. So d means b square minus 4ac. Now 25 minus 24, that is 1. 1 is greater than 0. So d is greater than 0. The condition is d is greater than 0. So what is the roots? Now x plus 2, x plus 3 is the factors. Now x is equal to minus 2, minus 3 is the root. The minus 3 or minus 2 is the roots. Now in the first case, a is positive. So a is greater than 0. The given expansion f of x is positive. So here this is positive, plus into plus plus, that means the answer is minus infinity to minus 3. So union minus 2 to infinity to the solution. Now second one, if a is greater than 0, the given expansion, so expansion f of x is negative. So here negative, so here plus, here minus, the solution is so x belongs to minus 3 comma minus 2. So one more example, example 2, discuss the signs of the quadratic expression 5 minus x square plus 4x. Now here minus x square plus 4x plus 5, so where delta d is equal to b square, 4 square 16 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 into 20, so d is 36, d is also greater than 0. The factors is minus x minus 1 into x minus 5. Now x is equal to, so here minus 1, x is equal to 5. So these are the factors. Now the case 1, if a less than 0, now what is a? A is equal to minus 1, that is less than 0. The given expansion f of x is positive. Then here negative, here positive, plus into minus, then so for all x belongs to, so minus 1 comma 5. So now second one, if a is equal to minus 1 is less than 0, so the given expansion f of x is negative. Now here this is minus, this is minus, minus into minus plus, so for all x belongs to, so minus infinity to minus 1 union phi to infinity. This is the solutions of the equation. Now example 3, discuss the signs of the quadratic expression x square plus 2x plus 4. Now the expression is x square plus 2x plus 4. Now find out d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now here 2 square 4 minus 4 into 1 4, 4 into 4 16, that is minus 12 less than 0. So d less than 0, then the roots are complex roots. So then the solution is for all x belongs to R.